Hi, I am Tejaswini, first year MBA, Maharani Women's Commerce and Management College, Mysuru. Today I am going to explain about Hudson Company. Hudson Agro. Hudson Agro Product Limited. It is a private dairy sector company located in Chennai, founded by R.G. Chandramogan in 1970, awarded as the first fastest growing Asian dairy company. Hudson Agro Products. Hudson Agro Products Limited, Arokya, Ibaco, Oyalo, Hudson Arun Ice Cream, Santosh Cattle Feed, Arokya. Ice cream, double tone milk, curd, milk canes. Hudson in numbers, rupees 5,308 crore sales in the year 2019 to 20. 27 lakhs liters per day, 4 lakh farmers across 13,000 villages. Largest private dairy company in India, third largest overall in the world. Next is production strategy. Production strategy is in South they have a strong brand name and distribution network. Milk is regular part of the directory program, which results in steady rise in milk consumption, and hence demand is likely to rise continuously, and there is a substantial growth potential. Installation of state-of-the-art machineries, fully or semi-automated, add to the productivity and reduction in cost, which is reflected in the increasing turnover of the company. Next, it is plant location type. Plant, it is located in Chennai. Hudson Agro Product Limited Company is a good place where everyone can learn the job and working hard to achieve more, like a milestone. And the main intention of placing a plant is availability of raw material, nearness to the city, availability of power, transportation facilities, government policy. Next, inventory controlling technique. Inventory controlling technique. Inventory is an important aspect of distribution management. There is some inventory control to ensure an adequate supply of materials, minimize inventory cost, facilitates purchasing economics, eliminates duplicate in ordering, facilitates cost accounting activities, consistent and reliable basis for financial statement. The main objectives of inventory control is to protection against fluctuations in demand, better use of men, machines and materials, protection against fluctuations in output, control of stock volume, control of stock distribution. Next, material requirement planning. Material requirement planning 2. It is a computer-based inventory management system designed to improve productivity of businesses. Companies use material requirement planning system to estimate quantities of raw materials and schedule their deliveries. The main objective of requirement planning is to ensuring that materials are available for production, products are available for delivery, creating and planning delivery schedules, manufacturing activities and purchasing activities. Next, work study and time study. Work study, it is that body of knowledge concerned with the analysis, design of an optimum work method and the standardization of proposed work methods. Work study is a management tool to achieve a higher productivity in any organization, whether manufacturing tangible products or offering service to its customers. The main objective of studying about work is to analyze the present method of doing your job systematically in order to develop a new and better method to increase productivity and to improve the operational efficiency, to reduce material handling cost, better manpower planning and capacity planning. Next, it is time management. Time study. Time study it is a structured process of directly observing and measuring human work using a time device to establish the time required for completion of the work by a qualified worker when working at a defined level of performance. Total quality management. The strict quality control, both chemical and microbiological, will deter the adulteration of milk and will improve the quality of raw milk. The improvement of the raw milk quality through regular checks can improve the quality of the milk products prepared from such milk products. Next, supply chain management. Supply chain management it is helps to supply the goods to some one place to another place. First production, next it collects the all the production products and it goes to distribute one place to another produce places. First it is logistics is collection of milk. Second, logistic in coordination of storing the milk, processing the milk and distributing the milk. Third, supplier logistic weighing the milk, determining the fat content. Later, calculation of the purchase price. Thank you.